starter kit is basically a composite kit which helps us to do fabrication. So let's see what's inside the kit. So first we have an instruction manual which provides us the step-by-step procedure so for you to help us. And next we are having a male and a female mold, and we will be providing a release film, and inside we are having 2 layers of carbon fabric and a layer of glass fabric, and then we will be providing a epoxy and a hardener at a fixed ratio for uniformness, and then we will be providing a curb and a stick and a brush for the mixing of the resin. And finally, we will be providing a gloves for our safety purpose. So first we have to stick the release film in both molds. So release film is basically a metal film which helps us to easily remove the final product after curing from the mold. So I have already stick the release film in the mold, so we can keep this aside and use that mold for now. So this is how it looks like after sticking the release film in the mold. So before starting the process, first we need to fix wear the gloves for our safety purpose. So we are working using the resin part like using epoxy and hardener. So to avoid the direct contact of chemical with the hands, so we are using these gloves. So while working with composites, we have to be more careful and be cautious because sometimes the fine particles may enter into our body. So we have to keep ourselves safe. So safety precautions is very must. So now let's jump into the mixing of the resin part like using epoxy resin and hardener. So we have already provided a sufficient quantity of epoxy resin and hardener. So first we will be pouring this epoxy resin completely. So now I am pouring the provided hardener part. Now start stirring the combination of epoxy and hardener. While stirring, you have to be very careful and you have to stir it at a constant speed to avoid air bubbles. Now I have completely stirred the resin well. Now we are going to apply the first layer coating. So we have to apply the resin part in the midsection. And the sides of the mold. Now we applied first layer of coating. Now I am going to fix the first layer of carbon fiber. So give even pressure so that the finishing will be so nice. I am going to apply second layer coating of epoxy resin. now keep the glass fiber here. And again apply the epoxy coating. So this mold is actually a C-section mold. The C-section part we will be using in the aircraft wings and internal structures of a car axle mold. Placing the final layer of carbon fiber. Now I have applied the final layer of coating. Keep these things aside. So now we have to just close the tip of main mold. So we have to be careful while closing the mold. Just give some even pressure on the mold so that the resin can spread equally. So once that we close the mold, so we have to just give a loading of 1 kg or 2 kg for to get a fine and quality product, and also it helps the resin to spread equally. So the curing time will take a curing for around 4 to 6 hours. While curing there should not be any external disturbances or obstacles should be given to the product, so it may affect the curing. So let's see this after 6 hours. So this is how the product looks like after curing of 6 hours. In this pandemic situation, going for a company or other colleges and getting hands-on training is a difficult part. So with the help of Starter Kit, you can get hands-on training from home itself. So once you complete this course and you send the image of the final product, so we will be providing a certificate for the completion of training. So get your kit and enjoy. So thank you. Bye.